What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. In this video, I'm going to be giving you 5 reasons on why you should pick up the ZTE Blade Max 2S. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first reason, and I think the number one reason why you should pick up a phone, is it works good with your carrier. So with the Max 2S, you have one of the only unlocked phones that works on Sprint straight out of the box. This is GSM and CDMA certified, so it's going to work on Sprint, Boost Mobile, Metro by T-Mobile, and Cricket Wireless. There are many more carriers you can use this with, but those are just some to note. So really awesome stuff right there. We also have 4G LTE on this device, and we have 2 carrier aggregations, so your call quality should be very good. Next thing I want to talk about has to be the fact that this device is fully stock Android. We are running Oreo on this device, just to show you guys really quick. This is running Android 8.1 right here, guys. So we have Android 8.1 straight out of the box on here, Oreo, and it's a stock Android. So with this, we don't get any bloatware on this device. It's 100% stock. We do get a little skin over it that ZTE has, but it looks really nice. Wallpapers that come with it are great. And another amazing thing about this is we do get the gallery application. So we have the choice to pick through photos and gallery. And if you guys are very anal about your safety and your privacy, then you guys are going to want to use gallery. Gallery is probably one of the safest ways to save your photos, and you never know where Google is putting your photos out online. You know what happened with the privacy breach at Facebook, right? And Samsung, bunch of other devices sending photos to people and stuff like that. So it's definitely great to have a gallery application on your phone. Next thing I want to talk about in this device has to be the 4000 milliamp battery. Now the 4000 milliamp battery is definitely a lifesaver. I can see myself getting a day to a day and a half on this device with moderate use. So it's been really good, to say the least. This device has been a beast, and going in 2019 or the end of 2018, we don't see a lot of budget devices getting 4000 milliamp batteries, so this was really good choice from ZTE. Good stuff. Now the next reason why I think this device definitely deserves a look from each and every one of you is because this device is only $179. It's fully unlocked, and you're getting free shipping straight from ZTEUSA.com. The other thing about this too is the price is going to go down from $179.98 to $149.98. So you're going to be picking this phone up for $150 if you buy it from ZTEUSA.com between the 21st and 30th of November. So 2018, 21st to the 30th of November, you guys can pick this up for $149.98, which is pretty insane. You're getting a fully unlocked device right here, so you can put this on any carrier that you want that actually works with this, and it's your phone to keep. So it's really great to get a device that is not locked to a carrier. And last but not least, the camera has to be my favorite thing about this device. We get some very good photos on this device. I'm going to be doing a full camera review on the Blade Max 2S, but the video as well. The video is very good, 1080p at 30 frames per second. And speaking of audio and video, I think this is one of the most awesome things that ZTE offers is Dolby Audio. So you have a Dolby Audio application. You can go ahead and turn on Dialogue Enhancer, but you can raise the volume literally all the way up, so you can make this device boom, and the speaker is definitely very good. Yeah guys, those are just a few of the reasons why I think this device is worth checking out. I really have been enjoying this device for the last month that I have been using it. It's been awesome. It's definitely been a trusty device, to say the least. But if you guys want to pick this up, this is going to be on sale for $149.98 from the 21st of November to the 30th. After that, there is not going to be a sale. It's going to be $179, but even at that price, it's still a good pickup. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.